In this video, I will be showing you how to share your Base44 app with your team or clients. To get started, I'll navigate to the top left of the dashboard and click on my workspace name to open the drop-down menu. From here, I'll select the Settings option to manage my workspace configuration. On the left-hand sidebar, I click on Members to view the current list of people with access. To add someone new, I'll click the Invite Members button at the top right and choose Create Invite Link from the list. In the Setup window, I can define the specific permissions for this link. I'm toggling between the editor and viewer roles here to ensure the recipient has the right level of access for our project. I'll also set the maximum number of uses for this link to 10 to keep the workspace secure. Once I'm happy with these settings, I click Create. A confirmation pops up at the bottom, letting me know the link has been created and copied to my clipboard, so I'll click Manage Invitations to see all my active links in one place. I then click the Copy Link button next to the invitation I just made. Now that I have my link, I'll open a new browser tab and head over to my Gmail account. I click Compose to start a new message, then I paste the invite link directly into the body of the email. I'll address the message to my colleague and hit Send. Just like that, my Base44 app is successfully shared and ready for collaboration. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.